friends, welcome to Hannah's at Home. Today, we are premiering a whole new series of videos called Do It Yourself Day, or DIY Day for short. To celebrate Nature Nuts Week, we're going to be making gnome homes and fairy houses using different supplies that we can find in our own backyards or maybe in a park if we're going for a walk. I'm going to be using some sticks and leaves and some stones, maybe a couple shells as well, to create a little walkway, maybe a garden, and a little house on the side of a tree for my gnomes and fairies to be able to visit in a magical backyard. Let's check it out. I found the perfect spot for our gnome home right in my backyard. So I found a tree where I have some space where I can put my gnome home or my fairy house, and then picked up some things in my backyard along the way. Let's see what it looks like. So I was able to find some rocks and some shells in my backyard too, and pine cones and sticks. Maybe for your gnome home, you want to create some sort of doorway so that your gnomes and fairies can get into it. Maybe you want to do a little walkway leading to it too, with some rocks, or maybe a garden in the front of it as well. Create a shelter. You can create a roof for it too, and just have fun with it, whatever you have in your backyard, to invite gnomes and fairies into your backyard. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have some time outside, either in your garden or maybe in one of the parks close by as well. And be sure to check out this week's video on mindfulness minutes. Bye guys.